kapuso, kapatid, kapamilya. Welcome back to my channel, mga kapuso. Okay guys, good evening. Today is Thursday guys, araw ng Huwebes, June 20, 2024. Time check, alas 6:53. Traffic information. No traffic here in southbound lane. EDSA going to Balintawak, approaching. Okay guys, no traffic. Wala pong traffic ngayon guys. Dito po sa southbound lane EDSA, approaching tayo ng Balintawak Monumento.
Lah engkau denganku. Jauhkanlah
Monumento. Good evening sa ating mga viewers.
Wait.
Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Yan po ang ating traffic information today. Yan, no traffic. Maraming salamat. I will be back. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.